All right, y'all. July 23rd, 8:29 a.m. Market is plummeting. Uh, the pre-market. I think it is a false move, a fake out. I'm leaning bullish today. Basing it off of broad information that is on SPY and QQQ, XLK. I can see we are live. Bell just rung. I can see a ascending triangle with a fake out to the bottom on XLK. Um, we're right at daily support for SPY. We're at daily support for QQQ and pressing pressing upward of the hourly support for XLK. So pre-market bears are having their way. I expect them to continue to have their way for like the next 15 to 20 minutes or so. But I'm expecting the bulls to kind of recover. Um, we'll keep an eye out on it. I've been kind of wrestling with the bias since yesterday. I'm kind of trying to focus on how do I gauge having the correct bias. I'm gonna try to implement stronger rules um, against choppy markets, and so market seems to kind of want to dump off. Yeah, it seems like it's had a channel, like it wants to continue to the downside and dump off. If that be the case, we'll let it have it. But um, let the market calm down and see what happens here. Give it the first 15 minutes or so, and then we'll kind of dive into and see if we catch any type of support. I'm expecting that we will. Another short trading day today. I'm have to be out of here at 9:30. Um, so you know how it go. Work meeting for sure. Yay. Already catching some support down here. Strong wick at the bottom. Um, that being said, we're kind of looking and lean towards some bullish activity here. Got a lot on the bullish side. Tesla just kind of went crazy. Tesla had earnings yesterday. This is app. So Tesla had earnings. That weekly support had a huge dip. Support is catching up with life right now. Yeah, just letting the market kind of calm down a little bit here. So far, Oracle and Tesla dipping pretty hard. Keeping an eye on those, but just just kind of letting the market kind of decide how it wants to feel.
That feeling when you're trying to build your credit, and it's like
We need to
over
actually
and over again.
see.
Good news! Chase Credit Journey can help you with a personalized score improvement plan provided by Experian.
Sorry, I'll get the commercial. Okay. That's a hard bounce here. It's a Y. Let's see. It's a Y. That is the bounce we expected here. It's quite the recovery to our weekly support. This is crazy work. Straight V-shaped recovery. Jesus. There we go. I think I'm getting a little bit of a bounce inside there. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good to stay bullish. That's our bias. Who fits the narrative? I think we're still kind of shopping around looking for regular hours. Let's see if I think Oracle was one. I'll write that down. Tesla was one too. I'm not going to not Tesla. We got some. And he was bursting through the roof right now. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Oops. And Nvidia and Palantir. Nvidia didn't quite dip as much. I'm going to tell you on that. Palantir always ready to party. Palantir ain't never playing no games. My God. Get a stronger dip than that, but Palantir always ready for the foolishness. This great one. Palantir 4-hour support seems to be a bit of a pullback moment. It's worth notating. I don't think Palantir is giving enough. It's giving enough to kind of be convicted on the move for FCX. FCX here. Yeah, we got that bounce we were looking for. So we definitely got that reverse move there. Let's see who's a good fit. That is going to be key. Oracle's kind of regressing a little bit. No great candidates. Tesla's actually fitting the mold here. That's what's crazy about Tesla right now. minutes. Definitely a strong bounce up. That's okay. All right. I think we may have to definitely have weekly support. This is a V-shaped recovery for XLY. It's very tall. We're talking about like beyond zero. That's how long it was. It started at the beginning of the map. Talking about huge gaps down, being at weekly support. So what happened? Oh, did I exit out of it? I think I exited out of it. Oops. How did I do that? Okay, I think we're back good. Exiting out of here. So it's actually losing some steam. Let's see divergence on screen 3. It's too early to be looking at screen 3, but I would say we're at screen 2. There's a huge recovery we are getting right there. I love the recovery move. However, Tesla, this is not Tesla. Let me exit out of that. There we go. You got the wrong chart yet again. Hit again. So it's got a strong upside move here. QR code is definitely bouncing with it. Got just about everything we needed. Looks okay. It has so much upward momentum. That's the question, is Tesla going to bounce with it? All right, Tesla gets the main screen. Not quite sure if the QR code's going to participate. Trend is starting to fade off to the downside here. So I don't think we get that move we're looking for. QR code's nowhere in sight. LSMA is starting to push to the downside. I don't think we get that trend we're looking for. We'll keep fishing. Still early. It's still early. We never took a look at Google. Google's in no man's land. Market's in recovery mode. Riding formations. Even XLY, which is sector for Tesla, is a V-shaped recovery. It's got a lot of work to do to catch back up, to even get back in the realm of the of everything else. So be very patient today. AVGO. That's more. Yeah, Tesla has no respect for the overall market today. That screen one look. Yeah, we are at weekly support for Tesla. Yeah, this thing is, maybe we're having an emotional market day. This thing ain't following no trend or nothing. It's just straight downward action. So be careful not to run into that freight train today. That's what I'm thinking. It's a meta. It's already in a see bullish divergence on meta. I can make a case for it. What I can't make a case for is them currently being at market's losing steam for sure. Yeah, we stay out the way. We stay out the way. Alrighty. A little more patience is required right now. Market's in recovery mode. To be honest with you, Tesla is doing whatever it wants to do. I think it's in an emotional state. I don't think anything can make Tesla recover. We got 10 or more so minutes on this, so it's still time to kind of let it recover and try to bounce to the upside. But Tesla is moving rapidly, so yeah, that's it. I'll check on Oracle one more time, but let's check on Palantir. One thing I didn't check on Palantir kind of gave us a little bit of something, but Palantir looks the best if you want my honest opinion, being at 4-hour support. Catching support right now. I mean, it's too late. QR code is close. Palantir. One move would have had to have come to 840. It's already moving to the downside. Yeah. Don't have much of a move left. So the pullback, I do see you can make a case for the divergence. No, you can't. like a double bottom. It makes the most sense. It makes the most sense. Yeah, QQQ is plummeting. It has completely flipped. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't see that great setup, to be honest with you. Yeah, I don't see it. Can't even make it up. SPY is losing, even though it's on dead volume. Don't see a lot of support behind this push down. QQQ is the same. XLK is losing steam here. So uh, another sit out type day. I'll be honest with you. Market is kind of flashing one thing and kind of driving off with another here. So this could be me being married to my bias, and I'm okay with that. But there is absolutely nothing that is of a good opportunity, and we have to recognize that. Nothing on Oracle, no volatility on Oracle. I think we still have a fake out type moment to the downside here. So I don't know. I'll lock back in on Tesla. That's the best opportunity we got. But let's try to be strict on the rules today. Yeah, that ain't looking great at all. Trying this downward sloping. Yeah, I don't think Tesla's gonna get a solid recovery at all. It's gonna be tough for them to get one. I think it comes later if they do. Tesla being at a weekly support level is crazy and very much so emotional. Yeah, there's nothing. Getting a QR code for Palantir. I want to stay away from that. Make a case for Palantir. No, you can't. No, you can't. You just can't. It's like a double bottom. You just can't. It's in recovery right now, but I'm not in love with anything that I'm seeing right now. I'm not in love with it. It's interesting. Let's check on the broader market because I think it's it's at a bottom or it's kind of reached a bottom. I just don't see it there. I think it's just still working. Just take a sip of water. I think the market is working extremely hard. Tesla, I don't think anything trading with Tesla is going to be a good idea. Tesla's down 12%. It doesn't look like it's in any type of recovery mode. Yeah, market's just doing whatever it wants to do. I think we stay out the way, man. I don't think there's anything that's gonna pick this thing up unless we're in a huge, moment where it's volatile and it'll catch itself later. But there's nothing. Um, I can't recall last time we didn't have a trading day, so I guess that's good news. Got about 30 minutes left. How about that? I think it's just more patience is required. I think the market will pick itself back up later, but I don't think we get that bounce and recovery this morning. I think everybody's kind of wanting to continue to let it sink, and we got to be okay with that. I think right now it's a fake out type moment to the downside. But I don't think we'll be able to catch that recovery. I think we'll be long gone by the time that recovery comes. And that's cool. A lot of people trading Tesla, shorting Tesla today. There's a lot of people shorting Tesla. I get it. Why not? Join the party. I don't think we ever had a such a downside. Never had it that way. Interesting though. Something hard to the other side there. More like slant it up. Time. Yeah, market is just plummeting today. I don't think there's anything to kind of grasp from this market right now. So we have no clear setups. None. None. Okay. All right, it's 9 o'clock, halfway through. It's pretty much Tesla or bust, honestly, in my honest opinion. So I don't think we'll fish again and see if I see anything else. But I didn't see anything worth on. How it pops up out of nowhere. Um, no volatility, not enough volatility on it. See the divergence, kind of, sort of. No volatility on it, so I'm gonna have to stay out of the way here. I tapped above hourly support there. Oh, the VWAP. I'll make a case for that. Double bottom continuation. That was XLK looking. See a little fake out to the downside. And QQQ is suffering though. I don't see it. I don't see the volatility anyway. So yeah, I think we're just this fool's goals today. I think you stay out of the way. There's nothing safe to do. There's no setup. There's no plan. There's no strategy that can make this work. We're halfway there, so I think we leave at 9:30. Now, it's worth a shot. I don't see anything. I'm not even gonna pretend to try to make something stretch. The market is very emotional today. Um, you kind of make it. Yeah, I think that's worth taking. Yeah. All right, halfway there and nothing to see here. So this is the part where we sit on our hands. And we're gonna do the best we can with it. No clear setups. Let's losing its mind yet again. I think we just be patient. There's nothing. We have to. Waiting is part of the game. Really think that we are in recovery mode. Let me look back at the big three here. Yeah, I really think we are in recovery mode. I think SPY is in a broadening formation, so is QQQ. I think we're at a bottom. I think we're recovery mode. Um, XLK, that I really have the confidence that this is a fake out on XLK. I'll do that. That's what's got me even more intrigued. Let's go back to Meta. I don't think I'm signed anything on Meta. I think we're in recovery mode. Then Meta tapped into some volatility. I see a broad stretch here. Let's try to remain focused and tight for the next 25 minutes here. PXN. This is the second half. Let's try to stay tight for the second half. Meta's still in play. I can see the curl up now. Don't like that LSMA though. Don't. Still sloping to the downside. That's got me worried. I would need a high pro to be convinced that Tesla was wanting to turn back up here. I think the broader market is pushing up. Not I think, I can see it. I can see Tesla having a fake out moment too on the on screen one. Um, I need a lot of boost of confidence on this trade. Tesla's, I mean, yeah, I need a lot of boost of confidence. It's at a negative 7.8 on the volatility, so I had an extreme reaction here. That doesn't mean it's going to have the recovery that's needed. You're going against a world that just had it just definitely just had earnings, so it's definitely emotional. I don't like that 30-second LSMA. I just don't like it. By no stretch of the imagination. So that bothers me. Yeah. A lot of work to be done. The broader market, I can see, this is not broader market, this is here. Yeah, and then yeah, XLY, which is it's just not there. Yeah, I think we have to let Tesla go. It has a lot of work to do. I don't think we get what we need from Tesla. We definitely had to get a high prop for me to kind of be convinced that this is ready to take off. Because I don't like the LSMA on the 30-second. I just don't like it. I can see the curl up though. I can see the curl up. What I don't like is the sector. I don't think the sector is going to be catching up anytime soon. I do like the V-shaped recovery of the sector. As far as the pattern goes, it's very tall. Could say that this is a pullback type moment. I see the QR code. Just trying to flip green here. 5-minute relative volume is not where it needs to be at. I think it chops for a little while. It's definitely like I don't like the sector. The sector is not doing great either. So this is not a great trade to even be watching at the current moment. I do like the overall trend on screen one for Tesla. I think we're in recovery fake out mode. That sector though, not the best, not the most pleasant. So let's not get sucked in because the market is not having a great day by no stretch of the imagination. It looks like it's tapping now. Yeah, it's continuing to the downside. Anything other than shorts is not looking great. So your bullish bias at the pre-market is not looking great. So we're good. Let's see if anything else popped up. Let's continue to fish. We got 20 minutes. I don't see anything recovering currently as constructed. Let's go back to the pre-market. I don't think we see anything else different here. Dell came out of nowhere in HPE. Dell HPE. No. No volatility on HPE, but we got a nice little push there on Tesla. QR code is green. A little bit of descending bullish behavior on the 5-minute relative volume. That's usually enough for me to kind of get in. I've been getting kind of taken out by that lately. I can see the divergence. I can see it. This is the start of something. This is usually enough for me to kind of jump in. But I've been getting bit so bad by it. And it's kind of descending. That's another thing that's kind of got me cautious right now. It's the 5-minute relative volume is descending on top of the 30-second LSMA. I kind of lean on that as far as recovery goes. But sector look like it might be catching support. It's still early in the hour. QQQ is falling through the floor right now. I just don't see it in Tesla. Um, Intel popped up out of nowhere. Yeah, I just don't see it. I don't see the strength in it. Intel's nothing. Maybe GL, I'll look at it again. I see nothing. I see absolutely nothing. There's a lot of recovery happening right now. XLY is recovering. I can see that support at the bottom on screen 1. Tesla starting to recover. It's got a lot of work to do. Yeah, I just don't see it. Yeah, I think we're gonna walk away with nothing today, which is fine. It's been one of those type of weeks. It's been a struggling hard week for my trading. I've been trying to find out ways to kind of cut my trading so I'm not pushing a button every single day. QCOM came out of nowhere. I can definitely see something on QCOM. Hold on. Yeah, QCOM retested a level. That's interesting. I don't think that's enough. You can see the divergence. You can see, yeah, that's not enough. It's huge pattern right there. See, is that like an Elliott wave on screen 1 for QCOM? That's crazy. I haven't seen it in so long. It's like a fake out to the bottom there. I think you could make a case for like a falling wedge. Yeah, I don't like the 30-second LSMA. So I'm gonna start doing. I'm start telling myself what I don't like about these trades. Yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it happening. Let's keep fishing. Anything else? We got 15 minutes. We only got one more solid count on screen 2 before we call it a day. We've checked everything. We haven't left any stone unturned, and yet the entire market has been plummeting. CrowdStrike came out of nowhere. Interesting. CrowdStrike is making some decent noise as far as the setup goes. I don't think we get what we need because that is a lot of downward momentum that it's happening right now. It's at weekly resistance being treated as such. That is crazy to think about because it is almost at 0 on screen 1. That is insane to think about. Definitely a strong downtrend. Nothing to question there. Man, I think the market wants to continue to plummet. I think continuation is. This is crazy to think about. Yeah, we only got one more candle. I'm more on the BX. I've never even traded Blackstone. Yeah, I'm on the pessimistic side. that we won't get anything. Tesla, I don't know what it's doing right now. It's in no man's land yet again. Yeah, there's nothing. Shout out to the Bears today. They are definitely winning. Winning from the jump. I don't see anything on Tesla. I see pure domination. I don't know what the hell Tesla's doing right now. It's retesting and about to plummet some more. This is all emotional press down right now. So maybe just stay out of the way. If that recovery's gonna come, it's gonna come later. Inside candles from SPY and QQQ. Nothing impressive about that. I think Tesla can recover, but I don't know. I have no faith in it, to be honest. And we only got about 13 minutes. We'll let it go. We'll let today go. I don't see anything. HPE, MRBL. Just kind of fishing right now. I don't see anything. Nothing. No clear setups. Let's just accept that. I've only got yeah, man. I'm good. I'm good. One thing I hate to do is try to place a trade when there's absolutely nothing there. And that's exactly what I'm saying. Market is in a real recovery mode. Maybe that recovery comes later, but it's definitely not coming during this morning session. So only 12 minutes left. I'm more prepared to walk out the door than I am to place a trade. You know? This is the hard part about being a directional trader, having to sit through movement when nothing is there. I have been struggling with that for a while. There's nothing there. Yeah, my thesis is out the window as it gets ready to create a new low here. The overall market is pushing down with it. Yeah, my thesis is out the window. You gotta know when you're being outgunned, outmatched here. ISRG. Try to make a case for ISRG, but this late, 9:20, the recovery is not coming. I'm always skeptical about the recovery. I don't think it ever comes after a certain time. Yeah, great day for discipline. Gotta start rewarding myself for being disciplined, not seeing the setup, being patient, not forcing anything, sitting on my hands. It's frustrating to say because I don't feel vindicated. goal is to make money. Haven't made any, so I don't know how to validate this type of discipline. It just feels awkward. It feels different. Um, I don't know. It's been that type of week. No setups. No setups. It's a good thing though. I have to keep trying to mentally tell myself that it's a good thing that I'm able to just sit here and relax and not do anything foolish. I think my trading is advanced at least that much to where I don't just place trades just to say, hey, I want to trade today. So I'm confident about that. XLK is actually giving us what we need. Like it's actually pushing to the upside. QQ is starting to kind of get there a little bit. SPY is trying to. Still a whole lot of inside candles on screen one. But some good. Yeah, I don't think we get anything. We'd be foolish to think otherwise. Google's attempting to do something. You can definitely see the volatility of the dip. Google is part of NASDAQ. Google is, yeah. Google has a little slight move to the upside, which is weird. Definitely out of nowhere. It would take a lot for Google to be considered a push up. Yeah, no, this is a disaster. It's a dumpster fire. Yeah. Google's trying to do something, but no. It's very interesting to watch. I don't know how to explain it. We got about 7 minutes. I'm gonna start putting my shoes on. I got a work meeting to go to, so I don't have much time to waste. Feels like a kid waiting to be picked up from daycare. That's what it feels like. That is definitely the right analogy to have. I don't see anything. I'll give y'all the last 5 minutes. I was gonna flip it to this simulation, but man, there's no need to do anything different. Nothing's coming from any of this. Deep breath, deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. I don't know. I don't know. We're definitely at a bottom. I think the market is emotional right now. There's no need for me to look on the other side. I'm not gonna do that. That's dumb to do. We only got 5 minutes left, less than that. If I look at it after, I don't think there's anything. I don't want to try to second guess. Like I literally, the market's very emotional. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing to grasp from this market. No grassroots, no nothing. There's absolutely nothing to grab here. There's no straws, no nothing. So that being said, I mean, the market just wants to dump today. That's when you just let it go. There's nothing. There's no question about what I'm seeing. Market is dumping today. Um, quite interesting for sure. TXN at this point. Yeah, there's no recovery, no bounce up. And you gotta accept that Disney was flashing me in the face, but I don't take Disney serious. Yeah, there's nothing. 3 minutes left. Still grabbing my stuff, getting ready to walk out the door. I did good today. I have to kind of try to find some kind of way to make myself feel good about this type of day. There was nothing. It was a strong sell-off. Strong continuation to the sell-off. I don't think this has anything to do with technical analysis. We got a bias, stuck with it. I think the market is having a huge. So the only thing that I can see that's kind of following the plan is XLK. And, yeah, we're good. We're good from there. So, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Let's just accept the fact that there's nothing there. Let me see. Less than 2 minutes, man. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my outros. I got less than a minute. I'll see y'all tomorrow. A good day for discipline. Nothing to report. Market just emotional and just dumped off today. And we made a really good day to just sit on my hands. I'll try to find some kind of reward, but I'll see y'all tomorrow.